Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. You are watching Study Life with Yogesh and I'm Yogesh here. Today we will talk about Mahatma Gandhi, his views and perceptions, his beliefs and opinions. We will not talk about his workings like civil disobedience and Swaraj and non-cooperation movement and all that stuff. But we will talk about his perception, his teachings, what can we learn about them from them. So we will talk about them. So if you are interested, please continue watching this video. So the fact number one. So these facts are here and this video is in the facts. So fact number one is Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat in Gandhinagar and was assassinated on 30th January 1948. Second, Gandhiji was influenced by Vaishnavism, Jainism and Advaita Vedanta. Third, Gandhiji believed that only by love and patience and passive resistance the Indian people could overthrow the colonial rule. Gandhiji, during his stay into South Africa, he read many books, many translated versions of Bible, Quran, and many Hindu scriptures. Gandhiji was against the slaughtering of animals, and he attempted to find that food material for the common people, which could be affordable by the poorest of the poor people. So Gandhiji was not easily convinced by the traditional Ayurveda, encouraging him to develop a scientific temper towards any traditional way of seeing the environment or so basically it developed his skeptical nature encouraged him to develop a scientific temper and to develop extensive thinking towards any kind of approach. Fact number 7. Gandhiji's, according to ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, Gandhiji was underweight. His weight was 46.7 kilograms. And even though of this situation, he was quite healthy. ICMR records are showing this. Fact number 8. Gandhiji avoided the modern medication. He experimented extensively with water and earthen healing. While cardio record shows that his heart was well, he suffered from ailments like malaria and he was even operated twice for the diseases like arthritis and piles. Fact number 9. Fact number 9 is about the Gandhism principle. Okay, so these have sub points also. So Gandhism designates the principles of non-violence, peace and truth as the central principles of importance. And any individual who follows Gandhian principle is known as Gandhian, and he can also follow any philosophy or which is attributed to be known as Gandhian principle, Gandhian principles philosophy. So there was also a thinker. His name was M.M. Sudhekar. So that thinker argued that Gandhism do not has any specific position into metaphysics or into any political theory, but it it is a religious outlook. It is a moral percept. It is an economic doctrine, and it is a political creed. He also argued that Gandhism is based upon the underlying goodness towards humankind. But even though these thinkers talked about these kind of views and opinions they made, but Gandhiji did not acknowledge all these. As he explained in his speech on 1936, his words were these: there is no such thing as Gandhism. There is no such thing as Gandhism. I do not want to leave any sect after me. I did not originated any new thing. I simply tried my own way and applied truth into our everyday life and problems. The opinions I formed and the conclusion I have arrived at are not final. I may change them tomorrow. I do not have anything new to teach the world. My principles of truth and non-violence are as old as hills. So these were the wordings of Mr. Mahatma Gandhi about Gandhism. Now, next fact is Mr. Gandhi was that leader who did not stood apart from the poor people. He was the leader who stood with them, who talked with them, who dressed up like an ordinary person and common person. And this was the reason why he was able to unite the huge, vivid and enormous Indian nation. So thank you for listening me, and God bless you all.